Okay, I'm going to do a brief instruction on how to operate the RUVO model 1100 Beveller. Turn the key, Beveller starts. You lift this toggle switch up, the sanders start, which they're now running. This one is spring loaded. When you hit this one, the drive belts will run. To shut it off, you push the E-stop. I'm going to leave it off so you can hear me a little bit better. Now, if one were to need to adjust the width of the machine for a door, the scale is across the side here. We're going to put a 2/6 door in it. So we bring this in by pushing this red lever down. We run it up to where it's a 2/6 on the pointer. Make sure it locked in, and if you get in between, you just pull it. It locks in automatically. Then to make a fine adjustment, there's this handle here, and the pointer for that handle is right here. And you notice there's a 0 right there. That's the 0 mark, so that puts it right at 2'6". The door that I have is actually 29 inches, so that's 2'5". So it's 1 inch undersize. And to do that, all we need to do is turn this handle in until it reaches the size we want. Now, of course, 1 inch undersize is pretty extreme, but I just wanted to show you how that works for nice even numbers. So that's done. You don't have to lock anything. It's pre-locked because of the all thread. Then if you needed to make any adjustment on the speed of the tracks, that's this knob right here. You rotate this knob, it changes the width and diameter of the pulley, which increases or decreases your speed as so desired. To put the door into the machine, if it's a heavy door, you're probably going to want 2 people. This is just a hollow core. This is pretty easy to manage. Just set it up against the fence. Push it up against the pads. Once the belt is rotating, you push it underneath the belt. It takes over and it'll bevel the unit. To change the angle of the bevel, you remove this door, no tools necessary, and you have these 2 spacers here. If you take the 1 spacer out, it's going to be a 0 degree or 90 degree, depending on which way you're looking at it. If you put the spacer in and you bring it up, that tilts the cutter in this direction, where you're taking your biggest bite from the top of the door. If you take both spacers out, it too is 3 degree, but it's going in the opposite direction. So they're both 3 degree. It just, you can determine if you want it the high side or the low side of the bevel coming in. To change your sanding discs, they're right here. They're stick-on. I have supplied 4 with the machine. We're also giving you 4 new knives. The knives are back in the front. And those are insertable knives. They're 50 millimeter. We're going to give you 4 new ones, but the ones that are in there, they're in really good shape. It'd be a shame to just throw them away, so we left them in. That should conclude any of the simple things. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call at 727-538-2180.